Hi everyone, welcome to 5473 Bluebird Street in Milton, Florida. We are in the 32583 today, just off South Airport Road. So very close to Highway 87 as well as the interstate. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom home spanning just at 780 square feet. You are on a 1/4 acre lot that is completely surrounded by woods. This home has been completely updated throughout. As you can see, the stairs are brand new. And I will show you the other side of the lot as well. Got a lot of mature trees surrounding, and you have access to in from both sides. So let's go inside and take a look. The street is really cute, really quiet. All right. Okay, coming inside, you can see you've got neutral paint all throughout, no popcorn ceilings, updated light fixtures, and there is no carpet in this home at all. So this would be the kitchen and dining area. You do have a pantry right through this door here. You've got a pretty blue cabinetry. I'll get you closer so you can see that. White appliance with the hood range. This is pulling kind of gray, but they are blue. Sorry. You got a single sink here, refrigerator, and then here is the pantry. On the other side here would be the living area. So this would be a good wall for a TV. Here is your front door. And both bedrooms are situated on either side of the home, so each room has their privacy. Have a closet here, and this is the same blue that the cabinetry is. So everything is pretty cohesive all throughout. Once again, I don't know why it's pulling gray, but it is a light, I would say it is a gray blue. That's as well as that door there. You do have a single window overlooking the wooded area of the lot. First full bathroom does have a tub shower combo. Shower head. You got a single window in here, which is nice to let in some more light. Single vanity. And then you do have just the solo light in here, but it is providing a great amount of light actually. All right, coming back through the main living area. Here is access from the other outside entry door. And here is your other bedroom and your other bathroom. I would say this is the primary. This room is a little bit bigger. You do have another single window in here overlooking the woods. So it is nice the way this home is placed. You're not overlooking the street, you're overlooking your lot more so. Other closet. All right, this bathroom has a tub shower combo. You've got your 2023 water heater in here. You could easily use this closet for extra storage. A single window here in the bathroom, and then you do have your washer dryer hookups here. So you could easily do a stackable unit, and that would take up less room, but I could maybe fit a side-by-side in here as well. All right, single vanity and the door are that same color. Got your overhead lighting, and then here is the tub shower combo. Alrighty guys, we'll look at the main living area again. So here is your kitchen, living, dining combo. All right, once again, 5473 Bluebird Lane in Milton, Florida, completely updated throughout, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit spanning over 780 square feet. Come check this one out, guys.